What's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Rafael back again. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the trade that I've shared with everybody for free, my Telegram channel yesterday. And of course, with all my Masterclass students inside the inner circle. Yeah, we took two trades yesterday. The first one was unfortunately not a win. But yeah, we switched sides and had a really beautiful run then after that first loss. And we wiped out the loss and made some money at the end of the day. Overall, I banked 3.6% yesterday, which is 36,000. And yeah, in today's video, we are going to talk about the trade that I've shared with everybody for free. If you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to check the links in the description down below. Join the free Telegram channel. And if you need guidance, if you need help, you can always drop me a private message in Telegram as well. Just be sure that you're just using the links in the description and nothing from the comment section, okay? Be careful, because there are a lot of guys pretending to be me trying to scam you, so be careful, okay? Yeah, that being said, guys, let's go into the chart. This video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description. If you're looking for a regulated broker, XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they make an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. This is today's movement, but we are going to talk about yesterday's movement, okay? So, first of all, let me show you. Yesterday was Monday, so we had Friday's low in here, Friday's high in here. Overall, Thursday and Friday, market was pushing pretty aggressive. I mean, yeah, of course, on Friday it got rejected here with a pretty steep retracement, broke structure, but came back all the way nearly. And I was like, okay, this could be our target. And if we check the 1 hour time frame, we still have a significant high over here, which didn't got taken out yet. So this was kind of like, for me, this was enough evidence that this thing wants to push up. But man, it was playing around with us a little bit. We got caught up in a little range before the market was dropping. So yeah, we ended up losing the first trade. But let me go to the smaller time frames and show you what was happening in here. So here we have the 2-minute chart. Yeah, as I said, we have Friday's high in here, so this was mainly my target. And the reason why I took this one, if we check 9:30 in here, the market grabbed all of this liquidity sitting down here and had a beautiful push to the upside. Broke like this whole trend line in here, all the stops above. Sellers got tricked into the market, everybody got stopped out. And I was like, okay, this is the moment when this thing pulls back, gets back into this zone, I want to be involved. So I took a buy in here, took another buy in here. And yeah, but as you can see, the market had a deep retracement, got below this low, bounced off of it, came back for another low, bounced even stronger off of it, and I was like, oh man, we got it, now it's running, and it came back all the way to stop me out. So on the when the market pulled back in here and it came back all the way, this was the moment when I closed half of my first position, because I didn't have a beautiful entry. I mean, I was loading it up on the pullback, so where a lot of people got stopped out, I took another buy position. And on the pullback, I decided to take I closed half of my position here with a small loss. Then the market pulled back, I loaded it up again, and then when it came all the way back to our entry, I closed the other half. So my first entry, which was not ideal, was completely risk-free. And on the third pullback, I took another buy position, and I ended up losing 1.9 something percent, nearly 2%. on that trade because it got stopped out, as you can see, and then we had another push. But this was the moment I was like, damn, fuck this shit, we're gonna sell it, okay? I didn't want it to be involved in any buy in here because the market clearly wanted to go down in my eyes. So when the market starts to move up, I start to sell at around this level, and I took another sell above this high. And as you can see, this one was the right trade for us yesterday, because I was feeling like, okay, if this thing is not ready to move up, then we probably need to create some more selling pressure. And if we look at the structure of Friday, we had this significant low in here, which is around the 13,000 level. So I was like, okay, maybe this thing will drop to 13,000. And maybe that's the first thing it wants to do before really pushing up. And so I decided to sell this thing, which was a good idea. And when we had this beautiful first push, nearly to 13,020 or something around this area, I was closing that trade with a beautiful profit for the day, which wiped out the loss from the trade before. And yeah, we ended up with a beautiful banger, you know. Yeah, closed somewhere in here in this area. And as you can see, yeah, we had a little pullback in here, but market came back to slash through our target, the initial target 13,000, as I said. I was not patient enough to hold through this reversal. I was happy with that first push. I was loaded up, made my money. I was happy with it. And yeah, as you can see, what happened after we slashed through this significant low from Friday, market pulled back, boom, all the way back to the upside. And overnight, over London, Asia session, as you can see, the market even slashed through our initial target. But yeah, it was not ready yet. Was not ready yesterday. It had to pull some more sellers into the market before having enough liquidity to break through the high. And as you can see what happens right now, guys, market turned around and never gave us an entry opportunity. It was never coming back. You see that? After this drop, I was like, okay, maybe if it would get back into this area in here, I would have sold this thing. But yeah, we're not involved in that trade today. And I don't really like to trade on days when before the New York session start, we already have a huge move. These days are most of the time pretty hard to trade, so I try to stay out of it. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Once again, if you're looking for advice, you can always drop me a private message, okay? Just check the links in the description down below and join the free Telegram channel. That's it, man. Wish you a lovely, profitable trading week. Let's see if we can find something tomorrow, maybe even today. I don't know. But I don't think I'm going to trade today. I think I will do something else. Weather is nice outside, so yeah, I'm going to enjoy the sunshine. Anyways, have a good time, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and I wish you a lovely and profitable rest of the week. Peace.